Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your OnePlus Nord CE 5. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. Now in those settings, go over to display and brightness. And here, make sure that you change the brightness manually. So disable auto brightness and here adjust it manually to your preference and liking until you guys see the flicker disappear. Now after that, what you guys can do is download the screen dimmer app. It can help and dim your screen a lot. So go to Play Store. Now in the Play Store, search for screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Now here, the first app from Rohex, let's click install, and now it's installing pretty quick. It's only like 2.5 megabytes. Click open, and here let's grant every single permission. So starting off with this one. Now the accessibility is in the downloaded apps, screen dimmer, and here enable it. Click on allow, and now leave it. Now grant permissions for notifications and click yes. As you guys can see, after we enable the service, it's much brighter, so let's change it. As you guys can see, we can change it so we can barely see it, and here we can disable it, and then we can go back to what it was. So after that, what you guys can do is check for software updates. They can help a lot, including it can fix a lot and it can help a lot. It can fix the screen flicker easily. So now let's go over and scroll down until we see system and update. Now let me brighten it up for you guys a little bit. And here let's click on software update. As you guys can see, now it's checking for updates automatically. You just need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. And my version is up to date, but if yours isn't and you're running the older version, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the old ones, such as screen flickering, ghost touch problems, or the speaker problems. So that's basically it for the video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.